Hi everyone, this is Gabby with Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really cute Easter project to brighten up any room. This metal Easter wreath from the Christmas tree shop is so cute as is, but I just want to add a little bit more bling. So I took some tulle from the dollar store in 4 different colors and crafted with it. So for this craft, I used pink, blue, purple, and yellow tulle, each being 7.5 inches long. So now I just wrapped it, looped the piece underneath, pulled it through, and there it is. Now for this step, I would use about 8 pieces of the tulle. Now that I have all my pieces of tulle on, all I did was even them out and fluff them up just a little bit. And here is your adorable Easter metal wreath with just a little bit of tulle to give it a pop. Thank you so much for watching Our Decorative Nest. Remember to follow our page and sprinkle this video. Happy crafting!